Ako po si Paulo Diet, Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 15 meters. Printer head, printer head clean, punas ng copy at wiper after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Waste stamp. AVR, naka 220 volts. Ito naman po yung inks namin. Sa left side po yung used and sa right side po yung unused. So dyan po muna nakalagay yung supply paper po namin. Consumable monitoring ng Sayan. Magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sabli paper po. Sabli daily output monitoring and Sabli printer daily checklist.